Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. Happy Friday to you. Hope everybody is safe and warm, and you didn't get too much snow near you, and you're able to get out of the house. It did definitely get warmer as the day went on. So our roads are clear here. How are the roads by you? Hopefully everybody is safe. So hello. It is Friday, so we are starting our weekend. We had a busy night last night, a lot of takeout. We had a lot of birthday offers last night, so thank you everybody for coming in. If you don't know about our birthday offer, we give you a free steak. It's a New York strip steak on your birthday. All you have to do is come in, bring your postcard and show us your license, and we will confirm that it is your birthday on that day, and you will get a free steak. If you come in anywhere from 2 weeks before or 2 weeks after, so about a month of your birthday, we will give you 50% off of the steak. So that is our birthday deal. So if it is your birthday, come on in, get your free steak, bring some friends with you, and we will give you dinner. So that is our birthday offer. So we're not sending out any discounts or coupons or birthday offers. We send out a postcard to our email subscribers. So if you're not on our email, go ahead and subscribe. But all you need to know, and you don't need to bring in a postcard, is just tell us it's your birthday, show us your license. We'll give you a free steak dinner on your birthday, 50% off on 2 weeks before or 2 weeks after your birthday. So that is our big birthday offer. That is huge. That is really big. That has been really good for us this month. So thank you everybody who have been coming in, and happy birthday to those that have had a birthday in February. We're actually heading into March. I can't believe it. So our takeout deal this week is our tuna. It is a buy one get one free tuna, so it's a rare sesame crusted tuna served with a sriracha mayo, peanut glaze, rice and vegetables, and it's buy one get one free. So give us a call, place your order for that. That is takeout only. Our regular menu is available as well, so you can add a salad on, you can add dessert on, you can add whatever you would like onto that. Maybe somebody doesn't want the tuna, maybe someone wants a burger, but two people want tuna. Get a buy one get one free tuna. So that is our big offer for the week. That's valid until Monday. Monday we do have a wine dinner, 4 wines in a dish for $29. So join us for that. That is an awesome steal. And we are pulling wines from our actual wine list. So that is really a great deal. You can't go out to dinner, have 2 glasses of wine and a meal for $29. So come on in and support us for that. So we are open all weekend. We are open tonight. The roads are not bad. Ellenville's roads are clear. Our sidewalk is clear. Come on in. We'd love for you to join us for dinner this evening. So I need some help. I need some help with naming this drink. Let me tell you what is in the drink. So it's going to have gin, honey, grapefruit juice, muddled strawberries, and I'm going to top it off with rosé. So I need a name for this drink. If you name this drink and I use your name and I call it your drink, I will offer you a free drink. When you come in, I will buy you a drink. Even though I'm not really supposed to buy drinks, I will give you a drink. So let's see. So I am going to muddle some strawberries. I'm going to start with muddling some strawberries. So strawberries, gin, honey, grapefruit juice. Did I miss anything? No, that's it. Oh, and rosé wine. So we are going to start with a little bit of honey. I don't know. Honey my rosé. Honey in my rosé. I don't know. Someone come up with a name for this drink. It sounds kind of cute. Let's see. Thanks everybody for watching me, by the way. I have a lot of people on. I appreciate it. Hello, Terry, Brenda, Ann, Kaylin, Lucia. Hello, Lucia. I don't know if you're still in the States. Mary, Christoph, Brian, Alex, Jordan. Wow, lots of people on today. So thanks for watching me. I appreciate it. Aroma Thyme is open tonight. As you can see, I'm just muddling the strawberries, getting out some of this delicious strawberry juice. So I have honey and strawberries in here. Yum, yum, yum. I love strawberries. Do you love strawberries? I love strawberries. So 2 ounces of gin. I'm on a gin roll this week for some reason. I don't know why, but I like gin. Do you like gin? I like gin. I use a Monopola gin from Austria. So, all right. So there is the strawberries, honey, and gin. I'm going to add a little bit of the Natalie's grapefruit juice, so probably about 1.5 ounces. I am going to add ice to this. So, add some ice. I'm going to shake this on up, get this nice and cold. Thank you everybody for watching me. Sweet muddled gin, I like that, Anne. That's a cute one. Sweet muddled gin. Give me some names. So gin, honey, strawberries, grapefruit juice, and I'm going to top it off with some rosé wine. So, my top is stuck. Top off, let me grab a strainer here. Do this. I'm going to put this on top here. Let's see if I can do this nice and neatly here for you. Let's see how this works. Ooh, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Yum, yum. Strawberry. And I'm going to top this off with a little bit of Primitivo. It's a Primitivo from Manduria, from Protectoria di Manduria. It's a rosé, and I'm going to top it off. A little bit of that in there. You know, it'd be really nice with sparkling. Lucia brought us a great sparkling wine from Italy to taste last week, and we're actually bringing that in, so I'm excited about that. And I'm going to put on my strawberries here. All right, and there you have it. So let's see, does anybody have any names for me? Gin, grapefruit juice, honey, strawberries, and rosé. The gin really comes out in here. Gin's got that really, you know, juniper flavor, which I really like. So Spencer, hello Spencer, hello Ann, hello Pickles. I need a name for this drink. Does anybody have a name for this drink? Gin, grapefruit, honey, strawberries. If you are watching me live, if you can drop a comment, give me a name, help me out, help me name this drink, that would be great. Thanks for watching. If you're watching live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up so I know that you're here. I can only see some of your comments here, so if you are leaving me names for the drinks, I would appreciate that. That would help me out. I think this is kind of a cool drink. Might need a little bit more honey because the grapefruit juice isn't quite sweet, nor is the rosé. And I would top this off with a little bit of sparkling, like a sparkling rosé that Lucia has, which we're getting in next week. So I'm excited about that. So maybe we'll try this drink with that in mind next week. Again, our special this week until Monday is buy one get one free tuna, and we are open this weekend. We're open tonight. The bar is open, the door is open now, so come on in if you're ready for a drink. A lot of you have been home all day. Maybe you want to get out. Maybe you are tired of being home, so come on in to Aroma Thyme. We'd love to make a drink for you. We'd love to get your weekend started right, and we are open all weekend. So again, drop a name for this drink. Doesn't it look pretty? Look at that color. That's a beautiful color. Grapefruit, strawberries. Hello Barbara, hello Pickles. Thank you everybody for watching me. Where are you watching me from? I'd love to also know where you're watching me from. This is so good. I'm going to sip on this. I'm going to enjoy Justin's Canisius team is playing down in Moorhead, Kentucky right now. So I've been watching the game this afternoon. Right now they're winning 2-0. So hopefully the Golden Griffs will pull off a win. Let's see. Spencer's watching from New Paltz, Tuxedo. Wow. Thank you everybody for watching me. So I'm going to get back to the Canisius game. Thanks, Spencer. He's a pitcher only, so he'll come in when he is needed. And so yeah, they're winning 2-0. I'm going to get back to the game. Hope everybody has an awesome weekend. If I'm around tomorrow or Sunday, I will make a cocktail. Let's see, Pickle says citrus honey rosebud. Honey rosebud. I like that. Honey rosebud. Fruity honey rosebud. I like that name. So, all right, I will let you know which name I pick. So leave your comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. Have a great weekend. I will see you sometime this weekend or on Monday, and we'll catch everybody soon. Cheers.